worthless, Lee.
Oh, his mouth twitched! He was waking up!
What the fuck? I'm so sorry. It had to be done.
You don't know that!
Yes, I do, Lee.
I'm sorry, Lily.
He was still alive, Lee. He was still alive.
I seen it.
I'm sorry.
He probably was a good dad. I'll
Larry
say
and
that.
me, we might not have got along so great, but I know he would have done anything to protect you. He was a good father.
I don't want to hear it, Lee. You think I like doing what I did? I'm the guy who couldn't bear to watch the family dog get put down. But if we want to survive this shit, we gotta have the balls to do the hard thing. Or at least one of us has got to.
You talk a big game, but could you do the hard thing if it was Katjaa or Duck?
It's never gonna come to that. Not if I have anything to do with it.
For all we know, the St. John's might have...
No! They need Katjaa, remember? She's the whole reason they brought us here. And no doubt they're using Duck as a bargaining chip.
I hope you're right.
I know I'm right. I just gotta get to him, that's all.
Damn.
There ought to be an air duct behind this unit. Maybe big enough for one of us to fit through.
Does the air conditioner come off?
I think I could take it off if I had something to remove the screws. The multi-tool. Of course they took it. Shit.
Maybe there's something
I was
else
about
we
to
could
say.
use. I've got a rock.
Ah, a rock won't help. But a coin might do the trick. Do you have a coin?
Yeah, that's a screw. I can't do anything without a coin. He said it. That nigga got coins in his pocket.
Sorry, Lily.
Oh, I can't check. You got something?
Please. I need to be alone.
God knows you deserve time to grieve, Lily. But if we're gonna get out of here, we need your help. And Larry's. I think I may have found a way out of here. But I need something to remove the screws on the air conditioner. If you had something I could use as a screwdriver, a coin or something.
No.
What about him? Look, I know this is a terrible time for it, but back at the motor inn, Larry mentioned something about keeping coins in his pockets.
What do you want? My blessing to loot his corpse?
Your permission.
Do what you have to do.
That fucked up.
Oh, boy. Any idea?
I didn't, bro. Look, bro. I know I said I was gonna kill him the first chance I got, but I didn't know it was gonna be like that. I did not know it was gonna be like that, bro. What the
Which pocket
fuck?
he keeps his change in? Here we go. 2 quarters and a dime. Just gotta remove these screws and get this unit off. It's not coming off that way.
Damn, I didn't press X. There we go.
Hurry the fuck up, Lee. We don't have all day here.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Fuck are you talking to, nigga?
There's our way out, Lee. Looks like it'll probably lead right into that back room.
It's too small for us to fit through.
I can do it.
Okay. I'll let her do it if she thinks she can do it. I want to make her do it.
I know you're brave enough.
I'm scared.
Remember the treehouse? You held out for days.
And I saved your life.
That's right.
Okay.
You're gonna be fine.
What do I do when I get out?
See if you can get to the other side of that door and open it. Are you okay? Did anyone see you?
Okay.
No, but there's a man outside.
Where the hell are you going?
What do you care?
Kenny! Lily, I'm sorry. We gotta go.
I know. I just need a minute to say goodbye. Hey, we're good. Okay?
Yeah, this is good.
Shit, he's gonna get us all killed. Stay here. Take care of Lily, okay?
I will.
Shit, he's gonna get us all killed. Stay here. Take care of Lily, okay?
I will.
Damn.
I told you there was something up with this room. It's a goddamn human slaughterhouse.
Let me pick up some brutal shit. Where's some? Yeah, give me the sickle, nigga. Is that a machete over there? Let me get the machete.
Ooh.
Oh, that'll put a nigga out. They be like, Nardo, put them damn guns up. Fuck that. I low-key want to use the sickle because it's more violent, bro. But the cattle prod would probably be the best option because it put him to sleep like immediately, right? I'm killing niggas today. I'm done making decisions. I'm killing niggas today. I'm killing niggas today. That's what we doing. That's what we doing.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Getting my family back.
What are you gonna do? Walk up and grab his gun?
Good a plan as any.
Hit his ass with a sickle.
What's taking longer? Finishing that damn dinner first. He's dead. What are you doing outside the barn? Oh, shit.
Just guarding the place like you said.
Sitting out in the rain like a damn deer. Mama says we can't keep that many folks alive and not expect trouble. Pick one to keep and kill the rest.
And I pick which one to keep alive.
Not to kill. There's enough meat on the tray.
Oh, I know, neighbor. This is my favorite spot, too. When I let one think they can just walk right out,
Take a look through the cracks.
He just said,
What's he doing now?
oh my god.
Sick fucker thinks this is a game. We'll take him out together.
How?
He doesn't know we're out. He's gotta walk past us to get to the meat locker. We can take him out when his back is to us.
See what he's doing now.
Nigga put down a bear trap. They on some crazy shit. Oh. What? What? I did that last time. Hit his ass! Ah! Kenny! That's the fuck I'm talking about, Lily! You a bitch! I used to fuck with you.
No!
Take the gun.
You see? You understand now, don't you? You can have me. It's how the world works now. Give part of yourself so others can live.
I should fucking kill you right now.
Mark never volunteered to be food!
You gotta keep me alive. If you kill me, the meat gets tainted. You can't eat it.
You're already tainted.
You ain't gonna kill me.
Fuck you, bitch! Clem, he fucked with us. The next time, nah, fuck that. The next time niggas fuck with us and I can't do shit, you better body that nigga how I just did. Fuck is you talking about? End him.
God, no!
Katja!
Just go. I'll keep Clementine safe.
Kenny!
Walker's coming to the gunshot. Oh my god! I forgot!
Carly!
Lee?
Ow! Shh!
Is everyone okay? You guys have been gone way too long.
We need your help.
Yeah, when you guys didn't come back, I figured something was up. What can we do?
Larry's dead. They chopped off Mark's legs and tried to feed him to us.
Shit. Is everyone else okay?
They've still got Duck and Katja in the house, and I don't know where the fuck Kenny is.
All right, we're coming in to help.
The main gate is too dangerous. Go around the fence and see if there's a back way in. I'll keep looking for Kenny. Do you have a weapon?
I don't leave home without it. Ben, stick close.
The fuck I'm
and
talking
Lee,
about?
be careful.
No, please, God, no! Kid, shut up, and you'll be fine.
Oh my god.
Something's up. I'm gonna take the boy and check around
No,
back.
please don't take my boy.
Let's go, woman.
Settle down. I don't want to hurt y'all.
Andy? Danny, is that you? What's going on out there?
Come in.
Fine.
Let me go.
Lee, hit back! Don't come in here! You just had to go snooping around, didn't ya?
Let her go, Brenda!
Please don't you take another step!
Brenda, come on now. You know you don't want to do this.
Just go away and leave us be! Stop right there, I mean it!
Why you like this?
Think about what you're doing. It doesn't have to end like this.
I'll kill her, Lee!
Just let me go.
Walk back.
Stay back! Don't do anything stupid!
I ain't gonna get closer. I ain't gonna get no closer.
Let her go, Brenda.
I'll do it!
Please.
Walk right into that fucking zombie.
I don't want to kill you, Lee!
No, is that Mark? Fuck!
Please don't make this any worse.
Just stop!
Mighty close. There it is.
They took
There
Doc.
it is.
Where's Kenny?
I said, don't move, asshole!
Don't you fucking hurt him!
Oh my god.
Let him go, goddammit!
That ain't gonna happen.
Andy, don't!
Shut up!
Damn!
Andy!
Who the fuck do you people think you are? Look at what you done!
Calm down.
Calm down. What for, huh? All we wanted was some goddamn gasoline.
Exactly. Call it put a... Move, duck! Get this nigga! Ah! 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 Bitch! Get up! Get up! God damn, Lee, get up!
Get up! Get the fuck up!
Back, hey, y'all got guns, y'all just gonna watch this nigga do this? Y'all just gonna watch this nigga do this? Y'all just gonna watch this nigga do this? Shoot this nigga! Fuck! Damn it! Shoot him! Thank you! Fuck! Oh yes! Oh yeah! Bitch! 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 What the fuck I'm talking about? Watch! Watch me beat this nigga ass! Watch! Hit him again!
Is that all you got, Lee? You ain't shit!
It's over!
Fuck you! As soon as Dan and Mama get out here, you're all fucked!
Ha! They're both dead, bitch.
What did you do? What the fuck did you do? Don't you dare walk away from me, Lee! Get back here and finish this, Lee!
Damn. Damn. If I leave, do we come back? Oh, it's just a kick. I'll kick that nigga. Oh, God. Oh, damn. Kicked him into the fence. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. Damn, I thought it was sticking in the jar or something. I don't give a fuck, honestly. I'm chilling with that. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that nigga. That was for Mark, bitch.
Getting in.
Let's go.
Clem was the first one behind me. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Look at that walker. That dumb bitch. She a zombie now. She's gonna go eat her own son. That's sad as fuck.
Hey, Lee. I'd say I'm sorry for leaving the motel unattended, but, you know.
I'm glad you showed up when you did. If you hadn't taken that shot at Andy, we might not have gotten out of there.
Were they really killing people? For food?
And eating them.
Yeah, and Clementine almost ate some.
But...
I stopped her. I can't leave her alone, Carly. This fucking world now. It's hiding just unspeakable shit at every turn.
Katja managed to grab this while she was in the house. She said it was with your stuff.
Yeah. I found it while I was looking for the people who shot Mark. Do you want it?
Why don't you keep it? Sometimes it helps to have something you can document your thoughts on.
How are you doing?
I'll be fine. Just not as young as I used to be. Hun, go on ahead and give me and Lee a second. There's gonna be fallout.
For killing Lily's dad? Yeah, I would imagine so.
What do you think?
You're no hero. You destroyed 2 lives in that meat locker. Kenny, you're not a bad man, but fuck. What the hell are we gonna do now?
You gotta know what he did.
Come on, Clementine. Stay close.
Lee, did you have to kill those men?
Yes.
Yes, they were bad men, Clementine. They killed Mark and they were gonna kill all of us. They had to be stopped. Understand?
Yes, I think so.
Hey, Dad, what's that noise?
Sounds like a car.
Oh God, not more strangers.
Brody mad as fuck, he can't shoot back, he left his heater. Fucking up, tryna flex his bitch in that 2-seater. Big bro said the market, we think she gained this truck, we beat her. We be out rapping niggas, we don't do no features.